Hello dear children. See, in our previous class we had a online conversation class, right? There we discussed all the scene passages that from book we have discussed, but the same question given in your worksheet that we had solved, and you have done very good job there. You had given all the answer correct, and we came to know all the answer, right? Fine. Only few points were left that we didn't discuss. That was the nouns, grammar part little bit. Otherwise, all the scene passages we had already discussed. I think you don't have any doubt in that. Yes, as you told me that you don't have any doubt, right? But today in this session, we are going to solve unseen passage from Robin Hood chapter. Okay, before going to solve it, let us read the unseen passage. You all of you read with me. Only listening will not help you to improve your language. You have to practice it, okay? So that you need to read with me how I am reading or how I am pronouncing the word. You have to catch each and everything. So the first and foremost thing that we are going to do, we'll read the short unseen passage. Okay. A fisherman used to set out every morning, catch fish and sell them to earn money. So a fisherman used to catch fish and sell them that fish in the market and earn money. One day he waited till evening after having cast his net. So he settled his net, the fishing net, and sat for long time. Okay, but only a small fish was the result of his day's labor. So whole days he worked for the fishing, but he could get only one small fish that day. Fine. The fish panted. Fish panted means you can say breathing very deeply like this. Okay, when you take out the fish from water, it is difficult to breathe them, and she was maybe shocked, that's why she breathed long. So panted means she breathed very long or high and let out a cry and started crying very loudly. She was so innocent, so small fish, and that is the reason she could not bear this trouble, you can say. Okay, he said, "Oh sir, you are very good fisherman." So the fish say that the fisherman was very good, but I am too small to be of any use to you. I am very small, very tiny. Nobody can eat me and they cannot enjoy my flesh, right? So it is not suitable for you to sell me or make me in use, right? I have not yet grown to my full size. And he said that I am very small and I have not grown that much that in my full size. Okay, put me back. And she requested to put her back or put him back in the water, into the river, please, and requested with very kind word. Once I grow large and fat, I will be fit to be served to the rich. And he said that if I will grow so large, big in my real size, it will be very good for the rich to feed. Serve means feed, खिलाने के लिए अच्छा होगा. Sorry बेटा. You will reap a good profit by selling me. As he said that you will earn a very good amount of money by selling me after few days. I plead mean I request. Do listen to me, sir. I am requesting you. The fisherman smiled and said, I am not a foolish fellow. मैं इतना बुद्धू नहीं हूँ. I will not forgive my certain profit for uncertain profit. है ना? That means I know how much I can earn, but I don't know in future how much I will earn. So I will not forgive you for uncertain profit. जो अभी तक मुझे पता नहीं उसके बारे में सोचकर मैं तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा नहीं. राइट. So let us solve the question answer. Fine. How did the fisherman earn his living? The answer is the fisherman. Sorry, it is little bright one, but I am trying to show you clearly. The fisherman used to catch the fish and sell them to earn. Describe the fish that the fisherman caught one day. The fish panted. The fish panted and let out cry. Also, you can say it was small. I am cutting this. You write this. Will not write this answer. You write the fish was very small. Small in size. Small in size. What did the fish request the fisherman to do? The fish requested to the fisherman to let her go back to the water, or put her back to into the water. Did the fisherman listen to the fish? No, the fisherman did not listen to the fish. Why? Because he did not want an uncertain profit. जो डिसाइड नहीं हुआ वो प्रॉफिट नहीं चाहता था. Breathing high means, now move to next question. Breathing high means pant. The word used here, that is pant. Okay. Let out cry means cry a little loudly. Fine. Next question is, I have not yet grown to my full size. Said to whom? The fish said to the fisherman. One quality of the fisherman, or fish and fisherman, you can find from the passage. The fish was small and innocent, and the fisherman was unkind. So this is the quality we got from the passage. Fine. Now moving to the second unseen passage. It's about solar system. Solar system. The sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies form of solar system. So these all known as solar system. The sun is in the center of the solar system. So suppose all over there are this planet, and sun is the center of all solar system. The sun is ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. So the sun releases heat and light for all solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. So there are how many planets? 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. But Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. So which one is the nearest planet? Mercury. Venus is considered as Earth twins. Which planet? Venus is considered as Earth planets because its size and shape are very much similar to that of Earth, because its shape and size, it is quite similar to our Earth. Earth is the 3rd nearest planet to the sun. So where most nearest, that is Mercury. 2nd nearest not mentioned, but 3rd nearest is our Earth. The Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. Our Earth is very unique very unique planet in the solar system, because only this planet has life on it. See, we live in this planet, we haven't seen any life in other planets, so this planet has only life. Which planet? Yes, Earth. It is also known as blue planet. This Earth also known as blue planet because it has 70% of water, okay, and I think 30% of land. Our Earth has only one satellite, that is Moon. So Earth has only one satellite, we can see, that is the Moon. Okay, now let us move to question answer. I think you will get very easily. What is the solar system? The sun, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial body form the solar system. That is solar system. How many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets. I have written only 8, but you will write there are 8 planets in the solar system or in solar system. Which planet is the nearest to actually it is superlative, so we have to write the over here. Okay, the nearest to the sun. Which one? I have underlined, see, this one. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. Okay, move to next. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Which planet I had underlined? Yes, this Venus. Venus is the planet which known as Earth twins because of its size and shapes. How many satellites does our Earth have? How many? Our Earth has only one satellite. Okay, and what is that name? That name is the Moon. So this is all about today's session, right? I hope you will write all the answer correctly in your worksheet. But don't do any mistake during writing. Pay your whole attention in your study. When you are studying, give your 100% in your study, okay? And when you are playing, give your 100% in playing. So whatever you are doing, do or put your full heart and brain or soul in that thing, okay? We'll meet in our next class. Till then, children, take care. Bye.